Okay, guys, I'm going to have a look at something on the DAX because of something I've seen in the Discord. Let me just kind of illustrate. So, don't need my indicators on. All right, so let's pull this down and have a little look. So this is for one of the guys, Casper, trying desperately to help this kid at the moment. But here it is, damn work called, making me lose 70 pips. Well, unless you went into market, you didn't lose it. Never worry about something that should never have been. But let's have a little look at the trade and see if we can get something of any sense. Now, I've just sat and worked this out. I'm going to drop this into the squad as we speak. So let me do that. Copy paste in. Let me just pull up that Discord. So if I go to market updates and I drop this in now, okay, they've now got a good idea of what I'm looking at. Now, we've already done a breakdown of the DAX, so they know roughly what I'm looking at. And as we can see, we can buy this thing, and it's 44, but it's telling me to wait. All right, okay. Now, just get rid of that. All right, so if it's running and I can see a good push here, step this back. Well, yes, there is a good run on it. We can see it. There it is there. It's pushing. So where's its next tapping point? Well, it'll be the top of here. So that'll be up where this blue line is. Nice and simple. Okay. So pull this back down to 15 minutes. If I'm waiting, I have to see a break of a candle. All right. So there's a cluster here. It's going to be that breaking point there. So drop a fiver in. Drop that in. Let me just get that done for you. So drop a fiver in. There we go. Oh, a bit too close to the price. Ah, bollocks, it's took me in. Oh well, not to worry. It's near enough where I want it to be anyway. So we're going to adjust this to sort of 44, 45 pips. That'll do. All right, so there's all 45 pips. And what we're looking for is that target. Now, I could get it higher than this, but I'm not a moron. I'm going to take what the market is willing to give. Let me kind of show you that. Now, I did a trade earlier on oil, and it worked out for you. But this is what I'm looking at this moment in time, just to show it a little bit better. So it's buying across the board, so I don't really need to worry about green light, red light. And it's a good trade with a decent TP, and it's looking for about 44 pips. All right, on the DAX, that's not undoable. Now, Euro's pretty strong and it's gained strength, so I need to keep half an eye on that. So I'm only going to be looking for the nearest top. Well, the nearest top is there. Okay, we can see it. Now we're straight into profit, so this has gone in a damn sight quicker than I was kind of expecting. But it's gone up, pushed down, up, pushed down, stalled bang on a key point that I had previously marked in. So the next bounce point is up. Now we are targeting here, the top of this. So for it to come back up is not unfeasible. Now there's a couple of elements of thought here. I can look for the continuation or the break of that top, but the market is running high at the moment. Or I can just look for a double top. Well, if that's the case, here is a good target and I'll get decent money from it. And this is just following on from what you saw me do yesterday and what you saw me do this morning. So it just moves on, and I'm doing this purely for the kid. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to let this one run out, and I'm going to go make myself a cup of coffee. So catch you in a bit, guys. Okay, kid. That was for you, Casper. Executed correctly. Patience has paid off, as it always does. And that's it. Now, that's me well and truly done for the day. I'm actually pretty much done for the week now. There you go. We'll just make certain I haven't got any tickets, and I've got, that's it. Yeah, all my tickets are out. So there we go. Targeting the top of that was correct. About 44 pips, a couple £100. Doesn't get any better than that. And all you're doing is just following the pattern for the period. Now it's 10:47. So that's taking it approximately 20 minutes, if that. So that's 20 minutes for £226. I think that's all right. So again, these are just for you guys in the squad. I do it for consistency, just backing up pretty much what I say to them all the time, and I should. And was I right to target in that area? Well, if I flick this back, yes, I was, because it's pulling away and it's now going red. So the targeting was correct. So everything that we do is based on a predetermined plan and never that. So I hope that helps. So as always, guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.